Hack the Quiz presents Travel Hacks. If you like an item in this video, find it in the comments below. Your purchase supports the channel at no extra cost. Hackers, let's go. What's the easiest way to save money on accommodation? It's B. Home-sharing platforms are affordable and offer unique stays. How can you avoid paying airline baggage fees? It's A. Packing only carry-on bags avoids additional fees altogether. What's the cheapest intercity travel option? It's B. Buses are usually the most cost-effective choice. When's the best time of day to book cheaper flights? It is C. Late-night flights are often discounted. What's a creative way to save money on group travel? It's A. Renting a vacation home allows groups to share costs and enjoy communal spaces. What's a clever way to find free entertainment? It is B. Apps like Eventbrite help you find free or low-cost local events. What's the best hack for staying hydrated at airports? It is C. Most airports have water fountains or bottle filling stations after you pass through security. How can you get the best mobile data rates abroad? It's A. Buying a local SIM card is the most cost-effective way to stay connected abroad. Look for prepaid plans with data bundles that fit your needs. What's the cheapest way to explore a city? It's A. Walking is free and lets you discover hidden gems. How can you save the most on souvenirs? It's C. Local markets have affordable, unique souvenirs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next hack.